thinking on the cake? You have itching in your hair and your eyebrows? Really? Oh. I will wash up later. What's in the bag? Paper cups and paper plates. Am I the first one here? Oh no! Ren is the kitchen, cutting the spring rolls. Elander is making some lemon. Susanti and Dennis Ripaldo are here too. I don't know what they are doing. What can I do? Well, is anyone preparing the prices for the games? I don't think so. Where are the prices? Anyway, they are in the living room. Gracia and Firoz are being some more. Hi Laila. Hi Anita. Yes, I'm cool. It's snowing outside. Really? Had the train running? I don't know. I'm staying with my brother. He's driving the taxi this day, so he gave me a ride. Are these the prices? I think so. How many games we are playing? About 10, I think. Wow, that's a lot of games. Whose glasses are these? I think they are Dennis. He is putting up the decoration on the balcony.
Hi Layla. The slow and Subair are coming off the street. I can see them.
Are they bringing anything?
They are carrying a big bag.
I wonder what is in it.
Nor do they tell everyone.
They are probably bringing donuts. Super is working as Dunkin' Donuts these days.
Yummy.
Sini.
Aku bang beres.